You're watching series of Arduino tutorial. If you have not seen the last video, I have given the link in the description below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach how to make a high voltage warning using buzzer. Last video, I have received a comment that I am looking somewhere at the camera. Actually, I used two Canon DSLR camera, one focusing on the Arduino and other focusing on my face. While I explain, I look at my computer whether it is focused or not. Here, my kind advice is to focus on the concept. Okay, the materials needed for this is one Arduino board, one buzzer, and one potentiometer and connecting wires. The reason for using potentiometer is the Arduino has a constant output voltage of 5 volt. We need a variable voltage for explanation of this tutorial. So I use potentiometer to vary the constant 5 volt from Arduino. The potentiometer has three pins. One in the middle is a common pin. The input is given to this pin that is 5 volt and we will get the voltage from this pin. The output volt depends on the position of the knob. So let's do the program. So first it is a variable int pot pin equal to A0. It is the analog pin for the potentiometer. Next int, here a small mistake, we are not using LED, we are using buzzer. PU, this is it here, buzzer. Int buzzer pin is equal to 9 and int pot val. It is a value which we get from potentiometer, and float volt. Next, word setup, pin mode, LED pin, buzzer pin, pin mode, buzzer pin output. Next, pot pin. Next, serial dot begin 9600. Now void loop. Pot val equal to analog read pot pin. That means read the pot pin, and what data we get, store that data into pot val. Next serial dot print ln pot val. This for the user, that means the programmer. Volt equal to pot val divided by 1024.0 into 5.0. This is the formula. This is the formula which I have taught you in the previous tutorials. This is a pot val. Now serial dot print volt. Now here we are saying that print volt in the serial monitor. Next, if volt greater than or equal to 2.5, because as I said you from Arduino we get 5 volt, so half of it 2.5. Greater than or equal to 2.5, then do this. What we are going to say, digital write 9th pin high. So when we do this, the buzzer will give a beep sound. Now, or else means if it's not happening, then digital write 9 low. So let's compile it. Compile. This PC. Tutorial 14th tutorial. Save. Now compiling. See, now the value is actually one voltage is 1.3 and the potentiometer's value is 265. Oh, I'm increasing. Now the value is 3. The potentiometer's value is 811 and the voltage is 3.96. That is exact near to 4 volts. Near to 4 volts. So let me adjust it again. Now the buzzer is not beeping, as you self can hear. Now it is 0, the value, and the voltage is 0. I'm increasing it to yes, because here you see, because first it has become 2.5 and it has become 249, like that it varies. Now the voltage is 0. Now I'm gradually increasing the voltage, gradually turning the knob so that the voltage will be increasing. Now it is 2.5, or if it goes 2.5 or above, the buzzer will start ringing, the buzzer. Okay, guys. Fact of the day: Samsung is 38 years and 1 month older than Apple. Samsung was founded as a grocery store on March 1, 1938 by Lee Byung-chul. Apple founders Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak created Apple Computer Inc. on April 1, 1976. So see you guys in the next video. Before ending up, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you've not seen the previous video, I have given the link in the description below. And if you want the link for my website I have given the link in the description below. Bye.